So before I worked with Natalie, I was pretty much had about every stomach problem you could think of. A lot of pain, bloating. It got so bad I was nauseous all the time, throwing up. It basically consumed my life. It was all I could think about. Tried to go off different foods on my own. Back to the doctor, trying this, trying that. Nothing would work until I found Natalie. So what made me say yes to work with Natalie was she helped my wife a ton with stomach stuff. I got to do something to feel better. So, and doctors weren't getting me there. I'm not anti-doctor. I think anybody who worked with Natalie shouldn't think anti-doctor. It's just an alternative way to look at what you can do for your gut. Okay, I was a little nervous to get started with Natalie because just the big, it's a big lifestyle change. It's a commitment along with the cost. It's definitely a commitment, but 100% worth it in the end. What surprised me the most working with Natalie was she just guided me. She didn't like force nothing on me. You know, this is what you should be eating. She held me accountable, but it wasn't like in a nagging way. She basically just guided me. I guess that's the best way to put it. She didn't force anything on me. She just held me accountable. So within about 3 to 4 months, I felt 100% better. I can eat what I want without thinking about everything I'm putting in my mouth. The big part of it was knowing what foods, going through the blood tests and knowing what foods I couldn't have, and just avoiding those. And now I watch that and keep track of where I'm at. And yeah, I eat without the pain and the misery, and it feel good. It's a lifestyle change. I think about everything that goes in my mouth and how it's going to affect me, and it's not in a negative way. Before working with Natalie, there was times I couldn't hardly drink water. I feel so bloated, and I don't think about that now. I can eat whatever I want without stressing about it. It's really not that hard. I would recommend Natalie because she's very knowledgeable. She's easy to talk to. She'll guide you through everything without the harping on you for what you're eating, and get to the root of the problem and just trust her. So Natalie is very knowledgeable. She does an excellent job of telling you how the gut works, all the complexities of it without overwhelming you. She'll guide you through all the process of from start to finish. Excellent at what she does. Very knowledgeable. I'm Austen Redinger from Woodland, Washington.